Welcome to motokia.co.uk channel. So now you have received your new Apple Earpods. Some customers said it doesn't work. As the Airpod is new, we need to perform a factory reset so that they can sync with your charging case. Follow my instructions below. Remove the Airpod from your mobile. Open the lid, put the new Airpods to the case. The orange light will blink. Press and hold the button behind the case until the white light flashes. It can take up to 15 seconds. If the white light doesn't blink, just release the button and press it again. Once you see the white light, that means that it is done. Now connect it back to your iPhone and enjoy it. So it's connected.